So today is a big day, right? I got some new cool stuff coming in from Genelec today, and I was thinking that we're gonna unbox them together. So, see. Behind me, you can see my old setup, which is 1030s together with a 7040 under the desk. Can't wait to unpack these. So let's check what's in them. So here we have the GLM and the remote control, and so this is essentially something that I really need in my studio, right? A measuring mic. I think this is gonna help me a lot with my productions. And here they are. Oh my God. Look at this. So these are the 8330, and I got the raw edition, right? They're gonna fit like a glove in here. So here we go. Look at this, amazing. They certainly know how to wrap things, so. Ta-da! Oh, so let's move over to the big box, which is gonna be the sub, which is gonna be the 7350. So this system is all digital, right? Which is gonna be a complete upgrade from what I have now. This thing is heavy. So here it is, the 7350. So here's everything that came out of the boxes. We have the 8330 raw, we have the 7350 sub, and here's the back side of the, let me focus, I suck at focusing. 8330 on the back side, so you can see here that we have the network, we have digital in, we have analog in, we also have the loudspeaker manager user kit. So I guess that the mic, the measuring mic and everything is in there. And then we also have a volume control. That is going to be very interesting to check out. So let's try to plug all this in. Now everything's up and connected. It looks fantastic. I put the subwoofer under here for now. I'm gonna see where that is gonna fit the best. It was actually really easy to go through this GLM system, setting everything up. It asked me a couple of questions. I put this measuring mic up on this. I removed the microphone and then I just put it up there. Took 5 minutes, and yeah. Now it sounds like this. So forgive me for distancing dream. Everything cuts me just nothing's wrong. So I'm very, very happy. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these stuff, and they look fantastic and they sound awesome. So what an upgrade. Check them out.